Here are the 5 signs of emotional abuse that are done by narcissistic toxic people, and you might not be aware of it. Is they are completely dead. Have you seen zombies? You can completely exactly compare zombies with narcissistic people. And sign is manipulation. They slide into your conversations and say something like this, but I have done so much for you. Don't you think you have to do this for me because I want you to go with me there? Even though you didn't want it, but you have to go for me because I do so much for you. Don't you think you owe me this? Manipulation can come in ways like they will take out your weaknesses and use it against them. Manipulators are very good at collecting your weak points, and they do it very, very fastly. They gain all information about your life so quickly, your past, your exes, your family, your anything. A narcissistic person can be your family too. They're also gathering, and they have the biggest source of gathering your information and collecting and using it against you. The narcissistic or toxic person wants to punish you. This is one of the ways to punish you, by silent treatment. They go completely silent. They stop responding. They stop responding to your call or text. If that person is a parent, they will give you a silent treatment and treat you like you are the bad person and they are the victim. Even though they created the situation and drama, they will make you feel bad for something that they have done because you stood up for yourself. How dare you stand up for yourself? Because that is not allowed in a narcissistic abusive household or any place. And in the few days you will listen to them again, and they will treat like nothing has happened ever. This is called the third emotional abuse, gaslighting. This is what they do to you when you're like, they don't want to take the responsibility. They are giving you the silent treatment, gaslight you. Oh, maybe you're thinking it wrong. I didn't say it that way. You are overthinking it. You are wrong. I did not say. What they do is they just make you doubt yourself, and they will trigger you so much. They will create this internal struggle and fight within you, and they will say some things like this: you are so dramatic, you are overthinking in your head, nothing like this have ever happened before, you are creating the scenarios in your head, you are lying, I am the victim. So suddenly the narcissistic become a victim out of the situation they have created, and this is what they will all say to you. So you forget about the entire situation, and they don't have to confront what they have done. Start love bombing you. They will start out of nowhere, come and love bombing you, which is also an emotional abuse, because they will like, yeah, take this, I love you. This is the love bombing, They will not give you time to think. You will be so confused in a high and low state that you will not be able to think. But what happened back then? You will keep questioning yourself, and then you will start doubting yourself. The biggest emotional abuse in the name of love, that comes with a condition. Love never comes with a condition, but this is what they condition you to believe, that love comes with a condition. So what will they do? They will invalidate all of your feelings. When you will go to them and share your emotions or what they have made you feel badly, they will completely invalidate it. They will not accept what the wrong they have done. Guilt is something that we are not born with it. It is conditioned in us with this all the society, narcissistic, toxic people. And I'm talking about your own parents, your family, your relatives, your guardians, your teacher, your relationships. It can be anyone. Your best friend can. They guilt trip you into feel like you're not good enough, so you have to do whatever they want you to do. You are a toy which they want to like rule. If they say stand, you stand. If you're going through something like this, or you're just realizing narcissistic relationship with anyone in your life, you are not alone. I'm also a victim of narcissistic abuse my entire life. Once you start seeing the problem, you can start backing off. There is only one solution with narcissistic people. Just zip up, cut their entire existence from your life. There is no other way with narcissists. You can just cut off their cords, connection, everything. I'm telling you, I assure you, you can live in the same house and cut their connection for your safety, because you will lose yourself at the end. I am completely the example of it. I lost myself in that process, and I'm telling you, there is no other way than to cut them off of your life.